Good morning. I'm AJ Walker with your Fox 47 weather. In our weather headlines today, we have a flood watch in effect through Wednesday at 8 p.m. and this is due to the remnants of Hurricane Beryl moving through our area, bringing some deep tropical moisture and some rain. We'll have heavy rainfall and some scattered thunderstorms starting late this afternoon and sticking around through Wednesday, and then we'll be mainly dry for the weekend ahead. Now, this flood watch is in effect for all of these areas shaded in the green there. You can see some of the counties there like Clinton, Ingham, Eden, Ionia, but it's all of these areas shaded in the green, and we could be looking at upwards of 3 inches of rain. Now, starting late tonight, we're really going to see this rain gauge start to jump. As we get into the overnight hours into early Wednesday, we're looking at, here's 4 a.m. on Wednesday, near 2 inches of rain already in the Lansing area, an inch of rain in Jackson, an inch of rain in Hillsdale, and we'll continue to see those rain totals jump as we progress throughout Wednesday morning. And then eventually we're going to start to dry out. Now, here's how this is going to track for us on our future cast. Here's today, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We start to see the rain moving in. We get to 6 p.m., still persistent at that point. Some areas are getting a little bit heavier, but it's late tonight that we start to see heavy rain starting to move in. Here's 11 p.m. We get into the overnight hours. Here's 3 a.m. We're looking at a widespread heavy bands of rain moving through our area. 5 a.m. still very present, still persistent in some areas, although some areas are getting a little bit dry, but then we have another band moving through as well. Here's 11 a.m., more rain, and then we get to 2 p.m. on Wednesday afternoon. Still widespread heavy rain at that point. We could be seeing some thunderstorms with this, but the biggest threat for us is going to be localized flooding. Then we get into late Wednesday and we start to see things drying out for us. So once we get through a very rainy night tonight, and a rainy day on Wednesday, we'll start to dry out and just have some smaller chances for rain. We'll return to our typical summer pattern. But in addition to the actual rain we're going to get, it is going to feel very, very humid and muggy. It's already that way if you haven't been outside yet. Heading out, I'm going to tell you, the air already feels thick and muggy. Dew points are in the 60s throughout the day, and we're going to get into the 70s for our dew point as we progress later into the day, even 72 in some areas. So that feels really, really humid, very muggy. For your day planner out the door, nice and mild temperature-wise, you're heading out the door near 70 degrees, and we'll continue to get into those low 70s throughout the morning, and then by lunchtime, we're in the low 80s. Overall, we're topping out about 82 degrees today for our high. Tonight, we'll see the temperature drop down to a low of 65 degrees. We'll have the heavy rain moving in, sticking around through Wednesday. We'll top out temperature-wise a little bit cooler, only topping out at 73 degrees, but our winds are going to be picking up significantly tomorrow. They'll be out of the northeast at 16 miles an hour, gusting about 30 miles an hour. So imagine that with all of that heavy rain falling, it's going to feel really nasty out for tomorrow. And then things are going to start to taper off, and then we'll start to transition and return to normal. By the time we get to Thursday, it'll be mostly sunny, but we do have about a 30% chance of rain there for Thursday, and then we'll get progressively drier as we get into our weekend. Late Sunday night, we're looking at some showers as well, but overall Sunday should be mostly sunny. And then Monday, the temperature, that's the next big thing we'll be talking about. It's going to start getting really hot again. So we're looking at near 90 degrees for next Monday, but we'll have a lot of sunshine. So that's going to do it right now for your Fox 47 weather. I'll let you get back to our news.